Well, good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another exciting video. And this morning I wanted to do a little bit of information sharing. Okay, there's a lot of people out here who seem to believe that the politicians, the Democratic Party, members of the Republican Party, we have a whole lot of politicians that appear to be adversaries of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Okay, we've done several videos on this channel talking about up and coming policies from the Biden administration that will affect how we maneuver when it comes to purchasing these assets. And the truth of the matter is that just like any other group, they are divided. I wanted to put out some information this morning about an individual who apparently is a top White House technical critic who is a Bitcoin millionaire. His name is Tim Wu. Let's go ahead and go through this article. This article is on Politico. It says Wu, who advises Joe Biden on technology and competition policy, keeps a large portion of his wealth in cryptocurrency. Okay? Tim Wu, a top antitrust expert at the White House, is a Bitcoin millionaire, according to personal finance disclosure he recently filed. Wu, a tough critic of tech companies' power, owns between $1 million and $5 million in Bitcoin, as well as between 100,000 and 250,000 in Filecoin. We've got a couple of nice videos on that on this channel, which is a storage platform for cryptocurrency, according to the disclosure. His investment in Bitcoin is the largest holding in his financial portfolio. Wu joined the Biden administration in March as a special assistant for technology and competition policy to the president at the National Economic Council. While Wu will not have any involvement in developing policies about cryptocurrency in that role, the disclosures show that one of the big tech's most prominent critics is also invested in an asset class that is a major tech world obsession. Wu hasn't always been a fan of Bitcoin. In 2017, he called it a bubble and posed the question, is it really worth anything at all? Bitcoin isn't backed by any sovereign, and unlike a stock or a bond, it gives you a claim to nothing other than Bitcoin itself, he wrote. Although he added that the illusory quality describes most forms of money, while he cast doubt on the practical value of consumers using Bitcoin to pay for the everyday purchases because of its large price swings, he did say the cryptocurrency might work fine as a store of value that you can sell. He also said Bitcoin reflected a trend of social trust moving away from human institutions. Okay. So there's a lot more in this article, but what I want to draw from this is the fact that there are politicians right there on President Biden's staff that are fans, if not investors, in cryptocurrency. And believe it or not, there are folks that are walking around right now who believe that this is a fad. That Bitcoin is just going to go to zero. That the government is going to just smash crypto and that it's just going to be nothing. Well, to those people who believe that, I want you to just take a look at some articles like this. The politicians and the big wig company presidents and such, the Elon Musk of the world, the Warren Buffetts of the world, everybody has an opinion about the technology, but there's some things you can't smash. Okay? You're not going to smash crypto into dust because the world, the people believe it has value. This is not about the government deciding what has value. This is about people deciding what has value. Once upon a time, people used to buy things with clams. That's right. They used to go down there and take seashells and buy stuff with clams. They used to trade jewelry, pearls. Okay. Then they decided that gold and silver was worth something. Okay. And then after that, they decided that they would move to fiat currency. The people, not governments, decide what is worth something. Barter has always been a form of trading one good for another, one good for a service. Throughout history, people have decided what has value. And today, it makes sense in a world dominated by information, the computers, email, and digital communication. It makes sense that digital currency would be something that would have eventually evolved. It has evolved. It is here. And the people believe that it has value. Even people who were critics, Mr. Wu, are now investing in digital currency. Soon it's not going to be an investment, folks. Soon cryptocurrency is going to be just a normal monetary way of basically purchasing goods and services. It's not going to be something that's extraordinary or something that's like the internet was in 2000 or back in the 90s. When the internet first came out, nobody knew what it was. And it was just as foreign as cryptocurrency is today. And one day, cryptocurrency won't be foreign at all. It'll just be commonplace to pay for your advertising online with Bitcoin or Ethereum. It'll be commonplace to buy your products and services or products off of Amazon with Ethereum. It will be commonplace to go to Walmart and buy products with Bitcoin. It's going to be. So for all the naysayers out there, I would highly suggest that you read the rest of this article on Politico about Mr. Wu and have your opinion. But be as smart as Mr. Wu and get yourself some Bitcoin. Get yourself some Filecoin. Don't be sitting up here and pretending like you don't see it happening. With that, so I really appreciate the support. I appreciate the shares that you've been throwing up, and I hope that you'll continue to come out, join us on the channel, see the commentary. Thank you so much for your support. And again, for those who haven't started acquiring Bitcoin or any kind of cryptocurrency, hey, there's links in the description. You can open yourself a Coinbase account or a Bittrex account. Go ahead and check it out. And I'll catch you on the next one.